Hey guys, today let's learn how to know when to best post YouTube Shorts. So if you guys are having a hard time of finding out when is the best time to post your YouTube Shorts, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So this is going to be pretty easy because what we need to go ahead and do first is to go on over on your YouTube Studio. Now, if you don't really have the YouTube Studio application downloaded on your device just yet, you can also go ahead and access this through your browser. So just go ahead and search for studio.youtube.com, and I'm pretty sure that that is the website. So once you're already on there, you can actually go ahead and continue to Studio and view your YouTube Studio through here. So the specific setting that we need to go ahead and access once we're here is our analytics setting. So I'm pretty sure that is going to be this one right here, or maybe this one. Okay, here is our channel analytics. So what we need to go ahead and do on here is to basically locate the specific part of our audience tab. And as you would see, we do have this option to view the specific time frame of when our viewers are most likely to be on our channel and active on there. So if in the case that you cannot really see that list, basically on the same case as mine, the sole reason for that is because I don't really have that much viewers on our channel. As you would see, this is the specific list that you guys should be looking for of when your viewers are on YouTube. And it does say that we do not have enough viewer data to show this report. So in my case, I don't really have enough viewer data, but on your end, you can actually go ahead and view this, especially if you have an active channel ongoing. So what we need to go ahead and do from here is to evaluate this data. So what is this going to look like? I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this specific example. And as you would see on your device, this is what you guys should see on this specific table or chart. Now we do have a bunch of different shades of colors over here and the specific time frame. So what this means is the darker the shade of the color, that is most likely when the best time is to post, because on that time, that is basically when you have most of your viewers active on YouTube. Of course, you need to go ahead and target these specific time frames, and less likely you need to go ahead and not post on the shades of color that are more lighter. So essentially, that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.